Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop Skype opening automatically at startup on Windows. Type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click msconfig. Click Startup tab. Uncheck Skype from startup. Click Apply, OK. Restart your computer. Second method is open Skype. Click Settings. Click General. Turn off, automatically start Skype. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.